Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a quick little project share that I would love for you to see. Welcome back everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick little project share. And if you're new, it's so awesome to have you here with us. I created a super easy, quick accordion style mini album. I will leave the full class totally down in the description for you. I used this adorable Pebbles Peekaboo You Girl paper collection. It is absolutely fantastic. I found it online and it's just so super cute. One of my best friends is having a baby shower and I thought this gift would be just so cute. I thought it would be a fantastic way to hold the baby's first year and I really hope she loves it. Right here I did do some watercoloring and I just fussy cut around it. This was one of the little sentiments out of the cut aparts page. I decided to actually use the design paper to wrap, so I thought that was a cute different look. And right here we just have some simple stripe paper. So I thought it was so adorable. I ended up watercoloring this a while ago and it just so happened to already match the paper line. So it was kind of the stars aligned for that one. And if you want to get a peek on what my classes look like, I'll be playing a class trailer towards the end of this walkthrough. Hello baby girl. And you open it right up and then you have month one. So I just hand wrote month one on some paper, punched a circle, and then I fussy cut some banner shapes out. I did have some of these little images that I fussy cut around, and some of these were actually out of an ephemera pack, so that made it super simple and easy. I also stamped directly onto the cardstock, so that made this come together even quicker. And it's so cute because the picture's just going to cover this anyways, and oh my goodness, of course I left all this open. I really hope she loves it. If you wanted to learn to make a book, this one is one of the most simple, quick books to kind of get your foot in the door with mini album creating, so it's super cute and fun. Oh my goodness, this is something you could definitely do. This is so cute, and you know what, if you follow me on Facebook or Instagram, you could totally see all the sneak peek pictures and all the other fun things that are going on, and also you'll be notified of coupons. So if you wanted to get a deal off your first class, there's a new class every month, and I think it would just be so fun to have you. Look at this cute little, I just love sticking this at the end of the circle. I thought that turned out really adorable. And then once you flip it, it also flips again. So, oh my goodness, right now we are looking at almost 700 members in our Facebook group sharing amongst each other. They are students and it's just so much fun. I've got about 2,700 happy students right now and I'm very honored and just so super pleased with everybody's projects, and we're just so happy. Look at this, it's the little things in life. And then, of course, again, you could switch whichever way you want these photographs to go in your book. And if you become a subscriber, you can gain instant access to every single class I've ever created, and it's just so much fun, instantly. And you get to watch and craft along. 10 months here and 9 months there. Again, some journaling lines here and just a cute little photo stamp. And then here's 11 and 12 months. Oh my goodness, Cynthia, I really hope you love this. Thank you everyone so much for joining me for this quick project share. It's truly my pleasure to be your friend, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to the accordion style mini album tutorial. I'm so happy that you guys are here hanging out with me once again. Okay, and I have a brand new blade here, or you can just use a really sharp one that you have at home. And of course, some scissors. You can't play with paper without scissors at some point, right? I've got 3/8 of an inch score tape. Here's this page, beautiful. Lots of cut aparts in here. But I'm just gonna show you how I apply this around the perimeter and some on the inside. You can kind of see how this comes down here at an angle. This is straight, this comes down at an angle. That's important. And we're first gonna score the 7.5 by 6.5 piece with a 7.5 inch side along the top. And we're gonna score simply 1/2 inch, full on opposite side rotation, 1/2 inch again. Wonderful. Okay, so I'm going to go 1/8 of an inch away from that score mark and 1/8 of an inch up. So I'm going to start sticking all these down. Here we go.